cash flow level 1 is Performance Club. The target there is 500 to 1,000 a month or more consistently. So you can put that in column number 1, your ideal result. That should be the foundation of the ideal result you want to produce in LegalShield. The second ideal result you want to put in LegalShield, create in LegalShield, is Senior Director. Senior Director, the target there is 3,000 to 5,000 a month consistently on autopilot, right? The third, if you're going top down in column number 1, the third result cash flow level you want to produce is Executive Director. Executive Director target 5,000 to 10,000 a month on autopilot, and I'm about to give you the 10 steps to 10K a month. And then the fourth cash flow level is Platinum. Platinum Executive Director. Bronze, Silver, Gold. Those are just milestones on the way to Platinum. Those aren't like the major cash flow levels to focus on. You don't want to stop at Bronze, Silver, or Gold. Those are just benchmarks on the way to the real cash flow level, which is Platinum Executive Director. I don't have time to break that down, but there's a core rank in every network marketing company, and then there's a leadership core rank in every network marketing company. In LegalShield, the core rank is Manager. The leadership core rank is Executive Director. So core rank Manager means you can get to every level by producing managers, right? But the leadership core, you can get to all the beginning levels with the core rank. But if you want to get to the big money, the leadership core rank, I haven't shared my screen yet, the leadership core rank is Executive Director. So you can get to all the executive levels by creating more executive directors. See how that works? So the fourth cash flow level is Platinum Executive Director. The target there is like 15, 20,000 plus per month. Anywhere, I mean, it's like 15,000 to 100,000 a month, depending on your volume. That's the fourth cash flow level. And the fifth cash flow level is Diamond Executive Director. You know, double platinum, triple platinum, platinum elite, all those are benchmarks. You don't want to stop there. Those are just milestones on the way to Diamond, which is the fifth cash flow level. And this rumor has it, it's almost impossible to earn less than $1 million a year, over 100,000 a month. So if you want to make 7 figures a year, that's that fifth cash flow level and beyond. You can get there at platinum, but you can get to 7 figures and beyond at Diamond. That's why they now have the $2 million ring, the $3 million ring, and beyond.